we have provided long-time support for many FTTH access providers. But today, with the addition of booming fiber and constantly evolving installation methods across Europe, it seems that it's time for a new beginning. Time to reinvent ourselves. That's why, after 3 years of hard work, we have created DOUBLEFLEX, a new cable and deployment tool. Let's first introduce the cable itself. It meets market needs for housing structures that require connections, mainly single dwellings. This means not only IR connection, but a cable that can be also discreet indoors. To ensure its protection, the DOUBLEFLEX is surrounded by aramids before being housed in the sheath of 2.7mm diameter cable made of LZH materials and classified CCA according to the CPR. And just 2 fibers get the job done, both covered in the 750 micrometers modules. The cables are protected with a second layer of aramids, making them suitable for aerial and outdoor use. And if that's not enough, they are then layered with a fiber plastic reinforced armoring. And all this is housed in a sheath of only 6.1mm in diameter. So here we have it, a double cable usable in all configurations. But this cable does not meet all installation needs. The technician, often alone, must have means to avoid unnecessary cable waste during installation. So we offer the patented Relax system, an extremely compact water-resistant packaging which allows for the unwinding of cables without constraints and without cable coiling or wave issues. By combining all these elements, we offer indoor-outdoor cables in one length, with exceptional fire resistance and dynamic interior performance. What's more, they are compliant with all outdoor and IRL installation standards. Any maintenance issues, they are made easy with the DOUBLEFLEX accessory deployment tool, a solid, compact piece of equipment that generates no waste. Here, from our team, we would like to thank you for your time.